I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an oxygen sensor in your Ford Fusion. A properly functioning oxygen sensor is crucial for your vehicle's engine performance and fuel efficiency. When it fails, you might notice symptoms such as a lit check engine light, reduced gas mileage, or even rough idling. This guide will walk you through the entire process, from gathering your tools to completing the installation, ensuring your car runs smoothly and efficiently. Before starting, gather your tools. You'll need an oxygen sensor socket, typically a 22mm size, a ratchet, and possibly extensions. Safety is paramount, so always ensure your engine is cool to the touch to prevent burns. Ford Fusion models usually have at least 2 oxygen sensors, an upstream sensor in the exhaust manifold and a downstream sensor after the catalytic converter. Knowing their locations is key to a smooth replacement. With your engine cool and tools ready, begin by carefully disconnecting the electrical connector from the oxygen sensor. These connectors often have a small tab you need to depress. Next, position your 22mm oxygen sensor socket over the sensor and use your ratchet to loosen it. If the sensor is stubborn, a short burst of engine warmth might help, but proceed with extreme caution to avoid burns or stripping the threads. Now prepare your new oxygen sensor. Many new sensors come with anti-seize compound pre-applied to the threads. If not, apply a thin layer yourself. Carefully hand-tighten the new sensor into its bung to prevent cross-threading. Then, use a torque wrench to tighten it to between 26 and 33 foot-pounds. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector and use an OBD-ROMAN2 scan tool to clear any stored diagnostic trouble codes, completing your replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.